guys, and welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really do appreciate it so very much. Today I have Sample Saturday. Also, please ignore my eyeshadow. I was trying to experiment today and it was kind of a disaster. And part of that is because of this first sample that I have in here. This is the Pure Get a Grip Endurance Eyeshadow Primer. Now, this does work really well and it really does grip, but if you're trying to put down a darker shadow, it's really easy for it to get stuck and not want to move around, which is what I discovered as I was using it. So it did cling really funky and I was trying to blend it out and I eventually just gave up and decided I need to film this video before it's dark. So I like it, I think it's good, but I think it's one that you need to put a base shade all over because otherwise you're gonna have a hard time with it. Yeah, so pretty good, but not my like all-time favorite because of that. I still have probably a week left of it because there's so much in there. Oh, also, let's talk about this packaging. This is terrible packaging for a primer because I'm trying to get it out. Like there's a lot in here, but it like spurts out. I've wasted a lot of it and it's dried out on the top. This is not good packaging. Like this is not something that should be a foil packet. All right, the next one that I have that's a foil packet is the Aqua Bomb Jelly Cleanser. And I think I have enough for a second use in here. I used this last night and I loved it. It was so good. It foamed so well, worked so nicely with my Clairsonic. It felt so good. I can't remember if it had a scent to it. I don't think it does, but I really enjoyed it. I was like, wow, I really like this. If my face felt clean, it didn't feel stripped, it just felt really well cleansed. And yeah, I really liked that. That is definitely something that I would purchase again. I'm trying to make sure that those are both upright because I don't want them to leak out. So yeah, really liked that one. Another one I really liked, big surprise, I've talked about this before. This is Good Genes by Sunday Riley. I've been, talking about this for a long time. I found I had a little sample packet of it, so I thought, I'm gonna use this one up. I have full sizes of it. This is the lactic acid treatment. I just found out they are doing a glycolic acid one too. If you are interested, get the new beauty test tube for July. I'll try to remember to put a link down below. I think I might have a referral link. I don't know what I get, probably points or something. I just subscribed and it's $29.99 plus like $8 shipping, so like $38.39 total, might be taxed. Don't quote me on it. But it has a full size of the Good Genes in it, the new glycolic acid, which is like $122 per, jar of or a bottle of serum. So if you're interested in it, that is the cheapest you're ever going to find it. Plus you get everything else that's in that subscription box. So yeah, I will put a link down below. If you're interested in it, go get it. I'm not sure how good it is. Mine just arrived and I had all of my subscriptions sent to my parents' house because I'm not really sure where I'm going to be this month or like if I'm gonna stay here or if I'm moving. I have no idea. So I had them sent there just so that they would all arrive and I would have them someplace. So I'm really excited about that. But yeah, love this lactic acid. Use it all the time. Really need to return to it because I'm starting to get some congestion in my cheeks and yeah, need to break that one back out. All right, I have two of these. This is the Dr. Brandt Microdermabrasion. These are the end of my exfoliators, my face scrubs sample sizes. I'm so excited. This one has about one more use in it, so I'm not going to count it as an empty. I'm going to count it as empty because might as well. This one, I usually get 2.5 uses out of them, but you would get more if you're just using it on your face, but I use it on my neck and chest as well. So I go through them a little bit faster. Really do like this one. Worked much better than the one I did last week. I think that was just an older one and had separated. So don't let it get too old. But yeah, I really like it. It's expensive though. I think it's like $80 for full size. Not worth the $80. All right, I have an eye cream. This is from Epionce. This is the Renewal eye cream. I got this from a local med spa, but I just saw that it is popping up on Ulta, and I think I got a free gift from them actually. So I'm pretty sure you could buy it there. This is really nice. It does have a slight scent to it. Like it's a weird scent. It's not bad. It's just semi-medicinal kind of. It's weird. It is what it is. I do like this. I've been using it as a night eye cream because it is pretty emollient, a little bit thicker of an eye cream. I'm loving my Banana Bright in the mornings though. So this is a nice one as well. All right, I mentioned that I started this last week. This is the Glow Recipe Avocado Melt Retinol Sleeping Mask. It does kind of look like guacamole, just a little bit, like a very light type of guacamole. It is pretty thick. It doesn't have any scent to it at all. I've liked this. I've been using it not on the nights that I wear an actual retinol serum because I feel like that's too much retinol, but this is moisturizing and I really like it. Like it feels really nice on the skin. My skin feels moisturized when I wake up. So yeah, I've been enjoying this. I'm glad I have a full size of it from BoxyCharm as well because I'm excited to use that. Last sample. I didn't use a lot of samples this week because I have a lot that I've been working through from weeks past. I'm trying to finish up, and I'm sure that I should have more shower gels, but I can't find them. I know I should have more. Anyway, the last one I have is a Once Upon a Time by Lush. This is a body lotion. These could be full size, but they're so small that I'm counting them as sample size. But my experience at Lush is the one time that I went there. This is very kind of apple-y, but like there's something else in it and I don't know what it is, but this is very, like it's very, very green, very, very green. And it feels really nice on the skin. Like I wore it yesterday. My legs felt super moisturized all day. They actually were a little like oily all day. Made my skin look all nice and glowy. When I laid on the couch, which was like a, you know, like a leather pleather type couch. It's actually a futon. But when I laid on it, like there was marks where my legs had been because I was wearing shorts. So like left all of that. But today, this is day 2. I try to shower every other day. My legs feel a little bit dry, which is a little disappointing. So I'm not really sure that Lush is worth it. I think they're really expensive. I think they're kind of fun. I liked the almond scented stuff because I just love the scent of almonds, but it's not something that I would go out of my way to go seek out and purchase. It just was okay. Yeah. And this is, it says best use fresh and it's good through December. But yeah, just meh, that was my least favorite of all of them. So this I don't think is worth it. I wouldn't purchase it. The Pure Eye Primer, I'm not really sure if I would recommend it or not. I think I personally wouldn't purchase it just because it does grip so well, which is great, but that makes it really hard to do your eyeshadow and then you get some funky kind of looks. And I know as I'm editing this video, I'm going to be like, what is wrong with your makeup? So that I wouldn't purchase. I would totally purchase the First Aid Beauty Jelly Cleanser again. I'm so excited for tonight to wash my face with it. I'm really excited. The Good Genes, I mean, I have at least 2 full sizes of this that I bought when they were 50% off. Totally would buy this, love it. This I really am enjoying. I'm excited to continue using the Glow Recipe. The Microdermabrasion I really like, but I probably wouldn't purchase it just because I know it's $80. And this is something that I feel like there's other products that work as well that are much cheaper. Unlike I haven't found any lactic acid that I've liked as well as the Sunday Riley. And then the Epionce, I probably wouldn't purchase it. I think it's a nice eye cream, but it's not my favorite. And it's not something that I'm really excited to use. Like I'm really enjoying the Banana Bright and really liking that. And this is just a little meh. Anyway, those are my samples for this week. Let me know what samples you have been trying. If you are interested in the test tube, let me know too, if you've gotten that in the past and your experiences with that subscription. I hope you're all having a fantastic day. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.